Today we are going to learn how to find the number halfway between two multiples of 1000. When finding the halfway number, we are looking for the number that is exactly in the middle of the two numbers. Let's work through the first example. What number is halfway between 17,000 and 18,000? First, look at the two numbers. We know that 17,000 and 18,000 are 1,000 apart. Half of 1,000 is 500. To find the number that is halfway between 17,000 and 18,000, we would either add 500 to 17,000 or subtract 500 from 18,000. Both of these will give us the same answer. 17,000 plus 500 is 17,500, and 18,000 minus 500 is 17,500. So, the number that is halfway between 17,000 and 18,000 is 17,500. Let's have a look at the second example. What number is halfway between 79,000 and 80,000? We know that the gap between 79,000 and 80,000 is 1,000. Half of 1,000 is 500, which means we either add 500 to 79,000 or subtract 500 from 80,000. 79,000 plus 500 is 79,500, and 80,000 minus 500 is also 79,500. So, the number halfway between 79,000 and 80,000 is 79,500. Now it's your turn.